I don't know how the these things are legal, man. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Here she is, the new bike. I've been plotting on a new bike for a minute. If you keep up with the channel, you'll know I was between an R1 and getting a Sumo. The R1 is just a little bit out of my price range, and I kind of lost the drive for a Sumo, I guess you could say. I went and test rode an S1000 a couple weeks ago, and I was like, man, I gotta have it. So here she is. It's a full Acura system, tuned. The guy that I bought it off of doesn't know who exactly tuned it. The original owners, supposedly the one that tuned it. So we have a local shop here that dynos and does tuning. So I think I might bring it by there, see if we can get it dynoed, maybe dial it in a little bit more. I had planned on releasing a video a few days ago on the new bike. If you guys follow my IG or my TikTok, you would have known what the new bike was already. Go check it out if you haven't already. She's fucking mint, man. I love it, I'm not gonna lie. I actually bought it up in Ocala, a few hours north of me. Well, actually Daytona. So I had like 5.5, 6 hour ride back down to Mexico. Cruise control, quick shifter, auto blipper. It's got heated grips, DDC, adjustable suspension, you know, the whole nine, man. It's fucking fully loaded. So I love it, bro. Like I was saying, I was planning on releasing a video a couple days ago on it, when I had dropped the IG post, but all my footage was trash, man. I had just gotten my chin mount for the Pista, and I had planned on recording, so this is my second take on the new bike video. I just wanted to get this video out. You know, it's been almost a week since I uploaded. I'm trying to focus more on quality content rather than quantity now. You know, I want to make sure my YouTube videos are as best as they can possibly be. Man, I fucking how could you not love that, man? I get you guys a warm start and a couple revs. The bike is, you know, 168 degrees right now, so. But I'll get you guys some revs, and then let's get into this ride, man. I don't have any plans today. The weather's kind of shitty. It's supposed to rain tonight, so just gonna cruise around, show you guys the bike, give you my consensus on it. In the future, I'll do a 5 things I hate and 5 things I love. But yeah, I can't even come up with 5 things I hate about this bike, to be honest, man. It's like, it's insane. I could sit here and talk about it all day about how much I love it. Truck's worth my whole life and more. Bank truck, basically, man. I mean, yeah, you can just see how shitty the weather is right now. I wouldn't be surprised if I get rained on, to be honest. I fucking love the quick shifter, dude. I've literally been riding this bike for 500 miles. I know it's going to be impossible to go back to a bike without a quick shifter. It's just so effortless, man. shitty how this whole thing worked out too, because I wanted to record when I had gone to pick up the bike, but literally the first pull after I bought the bike, my fucking GoPro fell off my helmet. First fucking pull, bro, I lost my GoPro. First pull. I got that bitch back there. Luckily, it was at somewhat of a low speed, but I lost my microphone adapter when it fell off, so I had no way of recording my audio, so it was just all bad, man. Look, no hands. I'm gonna be so pissed if this footage is unusable again. This would literally be my third time trying to record a first video on the bike. It's just not meant to be, man. Got this scooter. Oh hell yeah. Brian 636 actually did a video like, I don't know, a month ago or so on Fort Myers Beach. Recovering from Hurricane Ian, man. That guy does not have a yield sign for me, but I appreciate it. Man, look at all the sand and the waves. Holy shit. It's a storm blowing in tonight. I really want to put the drone up, but I think it's too windy. I fucking love it, man. Got the real plate on there. Thank you, Day, for letting me borrow his real plate, of course. Arizona, protect our environment. My biggest complaint right now with this bike would probably be the fucking gas mileage, man. Don't buy a liter bike to save gas. This shit gets like 30 miles to the gallon, dude. My fucking car gets 30 miles to the gallon. This is a sick spot. I'd like to get some pictures in front of there. One day. I also always see this Gixxer here. I think it's a 600, yeah. Yeah, look at the waves, man. Holy shit. Gap. Well, F82 Gap. Still love them. I love them. All right, but it's still a Gap. I love it down here in Mexico, man. I feel like everybody's just happier by the water, you know? just no hesitation, man. No hesitation at all. I had to, man. You guys know it, I had to. I love my BMWs. I haven't even put it in slick mode yet, which is the track only mode. I also have not tried to wheelie it yet. I've been feeling out the clutch ups in second, but definitely not first. We could give it a little shot. There we go. Traction control and ABS off. Oh yes sir. Oh yes sir. It's a lot of traffic. It's a Thursday afternoon, bro. Why is there so many cars on the fucking road? Oh. Yeah, first gear is all power, man. It wants to come straight up. Here we go. Give it the beans to get it to come up. You really gotta rev that bitch out. Like I was like maybe that high off the ground, it felt like. Definitely a little baby wheelie. We'll get there, we'll get there. God damn! These things are legal, man. I'll get it, man. I'll get it. It's just feeling the bike out, dude. Every bike is going to be different, you know. And obviously, I'm not trying to loop it, so. Oh my god. But that's probably going to be it for this one, boys. I just wanted to hop in here. Show you guys the bike. Make sure you guys go check out the IG and TikTok. I'm trying to post on there more. I never use it, so I probably should. And hey, if you were following me on IG, you would have already known what the bike is. Take it easy, and I'll catch you boys in the next one. Peace, peace.